tired of your comedy videos falling flat? Just not being funny enough? Well, I'm here to help. If you have any form of editing software, then this is the right video for you. Okay, I'm gonna put you in a black screen. So the reason that some things are funny are because of the sounds. If your comedy videos fallen flat before, you probably haven't moved any, or you've just used the wrong ones. So I'm going to be giving you the 5. In my opinion, I'm going to be giving you the 5 best ones, 5 best comedy sounds and what they should be used for. Number 5. Vine Boom. Actually, no. Number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, this one's perfect for your short form videos. Have some random unexpected event. There can only be one unexpected event. Number 4. Get Out. So you probably heard the Get Out sound on YouTube a lot. And it's just perfect for it's perfect for ends of videos, but it's also good for just putting in between videos. It's kind of like the Vine Boom, which we'll be putting next. And the rest is just like the Vine Boom. Number 3, Vine Boom. So 3 is the Vine Boom. The Vine Boom is basically Get Out 2.0. And it's just used for the same things as Get Out. It can be used multiple times in a video. It's bad to put at ends though. Number 2. Let me think. I can't think. Okay, let's move everything up one so it's the top 4 this time. So the top 4, so the last one, which is number 1, which is this one, is just do them yourself. Mess around with the sounds. Do funny combinations. And as always,
my mommy said no more skibidi toilets, so I left a poo-poo in her chocolate cake. This is Ohio.